If you're experiencing server timeout issues in League of Legends, there are several steps you can take to potentially speed up your connection and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and running at optimal speed. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or high latency. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or processing power. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a faster, more reliable server. You can use public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 for potentially improved connection speeds. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This may include enabling quality of service (QoS) settings on your router to prioritize gaming traffic or using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Step 5. Reinstall or repair the game. If issues persist, try repairing or reinstalling League of Legends. This can fix corrupted files or settings that may be contributing to server timeout problems. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection and reduce server timeout issues in League of Legends. Happy gaming!